Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're back with my Ryu, and today we're going to tear down the bike so it's only the frame, but I don't know if we're going to put everything away. We'll have to see, and I'm not gonna talk so much, so let's go.
Why you all about my business? Yeah, I've been working hard, always keeping to myself. Why you acting like a witness? Man, trying to get a piece once I'm getting all this world. No, you don't need to get involved. No, you don't need to get involved. No, now you trying to get involved. No, you don't need to get involved. No, why you trying to get involved? No, you were never about the squad. No, you don't need to get involved. No.
So now I have removed all the plastics, the exhaust and the seat and the fender, and now we are moving up to the handlebar.
Nice, illuminated by the glow of all these street lights. I've been dreaming miles up while taking these flights, leaving ones who had my back just never seem right. It's my fucking team, like I dot my eyes so no one will ever cross me. I'm getting checks like I'm in a game of hockey. She hold me down, at least one person has got me. I try to keep it humble, only face be acting cocky, yeah. And everything is going my way. Girl got the ass and she going my place. Reppin' 603 and you know it's my state. Got some cash coming in, need to double my pay, ole. Why you all about my business? Yeah, I've been working hard, always keeping to myself. Why you acting like a witness? Man, trying to get a piece once I'm getting all this world. No, you don't need to get involved. No, you don't need to get involved. No, now you trying to get involved. No, you don't need to get involved. No, why you trying to get involved? No, you were never about the squad. No, you don't need to get involved. No, you don't need to get involved. No, this isn't easy. There's things you need to sacrifice. There's so much more than dope beats, and if you're rapping nice, music's forever. Want this bumping in my afterlife. Rappers make a meal with the flow, not even half as nice. I guess that's the game though. Never gonna change, bro. People hit me like you different. Sorry, you're the same hoe. Changing up the same flow. You're right, I'm feeling different. They complain about the game. Just work hard and quit your bitching. That's the mission. Visionary mindset coming through. Once I make it big, I got the whole team coming too. Always on to something new. This dream is what I'm running to. My initials tell your fade because J will always W. And everything is going my way. Girl got the ass and she going my place. Reppin' 603 and you know it's my state. Got some cash coming in, need to double my pay, ole. Why you all about my business? Yeah, I've been working hard, always keeping to myself. Why you acting like a witness? Man, trying to get a piece once I'm getting all this world. No, you don't need to get involved. No, you don't need to get involved. No, now you trying to get involved. No, you don't need to get involved.
Okay, so almost everything is gone now. I'm thinking this how it looks. I'm thinking we should try to lift the engine off now. Yeah, let's do it. now everything is gone, it's only the frame. And I have been placing everything in files so I can keep track of it, everything. And this will be it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. And I'm thinking we are going to wash some parts, and till the next time.